part 4 video on community health nursing 2 subject for the JNM third year students. In this the second unit, that is the healthcare services in India. Okay, here some subtopic is the functions of CHC. Okay, community health center yokka functions. Here the function main first one is the care of routine and emergency services. Okay, in emergency surgeries will be needed for the patients. Okay, within 24 hours we should not do any surgery for the particular disease condition, means the patient may be going to die. Okay, what are the surgeries in emergency situations? Means some appendectomy surgeries. Okay, if the patient is suffering with the appendicitis disease, okay, within 24 hours, within a short period, we should not attain any surgery, means the patient is lose their value of life. Okay, that's why the community health center is able to provide emergency surgeries for the patients. Okay, in this for example the appendicitis surgery or another situation in emergency care, they are providing care for the patients like intestinal obstruction. Okay, intestinal obstruction also one of the dangerous condition for the human being. Okay, we should not remove that intestinal obstruction contains means the patient is having so many of struggles in their health problem. Okay, like that the community health center also provides some services. Next, the care of routine and emergency medicine also the community health center should be provide. Okay, what are the medications in emergency situations? Means for example dengue fever or cerebral malaria. Okay, patients cerebral malaria to provide suffering avute. Okay, cerebral malaria nothing but malaria is one of the disease condition. It will be caused by the some of the mosquitoes. Okay, the mosquitoes is due to the toxins of mosquito, patient cerebral part of the brain. ఓకే, బ్రెయిన్లో ఉండేటటువంటి సెరెబ్రల్ పార్ట్కి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి మస్కిటో యొక్క టాక్సిన్స్, పేషెంట్ మలేరియా ఆఫ్ సెరెబ్రమ్కి సఫర్ అయ్యేటటువంటి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. ఓకే, విత్ ఇన్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ వీ షుడ్ నాట్ ప్రొవైడ్ ఎనీ quality of medications to that particular patients, means the patient is having a number of problems. Okay, like that the emergency situation also the community health center is able to provide some quality of medications and quality of care to the sick people. Okay, this is also one function. Next, another one is the 24 hours delivery services. Okay, in 24 hours delivery services means number of pregnant mothers will be there in the community. Okay, in pregnant mothers is needed some emergency care. Okay, why the pregnant mothers having emergency care? Means some pregnant mothers, some antenatal mothers having the healthy. Okay, they are carrying their fetus and they are healthy. Why? Because they are taking sufficient nutrition, they are following sufficient exercises, they are maintaining good personal hygiene, like that. Okay, some number of antenatal mothers, okay, they are having some struggles in their physically. Okay, for example in mother womb they are having 2 fetus, or sometimes the fetal development not there, or sometimes sufficient amniotic fluid is not available. Okay, sometimes some internal bleeding. Okay, like that some physical problems like the antenatal mother may be going to suffering with the hypertension disease condition at the pregnancy period, or diabetes mellitus at pregnancy period. Okay, like that is some problems, some medical disease conditions will be suffering by the pregnant mother. Okay, the time immediately we need the pregnant lady need some surgeries. Okay, for example delivery date will be very soon. Okay, or sometimes the labor pains will be started at the night time, midnight. Okay, like that the problems will be arise means immediately the community health nurse or the community health center will be provide some surgeries, okay, for protecting the pregnant mother or baby. Okay, next another one is the community health center also do the some conduction of deliveries. Okay, for example the mother is undergone the normal delivery, okay, means true labor pains will be there, means she should be supervised. Okay, sometimes what is that assisted deliveries means some labor pains will be started but the pains should be absent suddenly, or sometimes some obstructed deliveries like that will be there, means that should be conducted by the community health centers. Why, how? In that some experienced staff, some specialized staff, some full knowledge staff will be there, they are going to conduct some deliveries. Okay, next another one is the essential emergency cases, means sometimes the within short period, okay, within seconds the mother is undergone the cesarean section, means the type of cesarean sections should be done under the community health center. Okay, these are the services not available in primary health center. Okay, if the conditions will be there, means from primary health center to community health centers they are refer. Okay, are you got it? పిహెచ్సిలో ఇలాంటి డెలివరీస్ చేసేటటువంటి ఛాన్సెస్ కానీ, నెక్స్ట్ నార్మల్ డెలివరీ కానీ, లేకపోతే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ దిస్ సిజేరియన్ సెక్షన్స్ కానీ, ఇలాంటి సర్జరీస్కి చేయడానికి కావాల్సినటువంటి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కానీ స్టాఫ్ కానీ అవైలబుల్లో ఉంటారు, కానీ ఈ యొక్క కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్లో ఉంటారు. ఓకే, ఐ గోట్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ సర్వీసెస్. ఓకే, we are discussed some tubectomy, vasectomy procedures should be done under these community health centers. Okay, next another one, safe abortion services, means some number of people having some abortions, medical termination of pregnancies. Why? Okay, some growth of fetus should have some defects. ఓకే, మనం వింటూ ఉంటాము గర్భంలో పిండ పెరుగుదల సరిగ్గా లేదు, కిడ్నీస్ నాట్ డెవలప్డ్, ఆర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ హార్ట్ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ హోల్స్, లైక్ దట్ we are observing some problems. Okay, the defects should be corrected by doing these abortions. Okay, safe abortions is done under the community health centers. Okay, next RNTCP procedures, or revised national TB control program. Okay, number of people will be suffering with the TB, tuberculosis. Okay, tuberculosis is one of the dangerous disease. Why? Because in early period we should not give any procedure or any treatment, means the patient may have the some lung infection. Okay, due to that the patient may be going to die. Okay, for protection of these problems we should provide some health care, and HIV AIDS or some leprosy disease conditions also we are providing some care to the population. Okay, next some programs like national program for blindness control program. Okay, if the people will be suffering with the any blindness, means for control of people, for providing good vision to the population, we should give the some vitamin A supplementation to the people. Okay, next inkokati the blood storage facilities also available in the community health centers, means in emergency situations the community people if needed any blood group, means okay, the blood should be transfused by the community health centers. Okay, here the lab services will be there. Okay, blood examination or stool examination or sputum examination. Sometimes in pregnant ladies they are doing some amniotic fluid examinations. Okay, these are the tests should be done under the labs of community health centers. Okay, next one is the referral services, means if we are doing some surgeries of appendicitis or the some cesarean sections, okay, the problem is not cured, means we should refer from the community health centers to some district hospitals. Okay, for receiving special care by the district hospitals or the some specialty hospitals. Okay, next we are going to discuss staffing pattern of community health centers. Staffing pattern of community health center. Here the staffing pattern is the general surgeon, one member will be there in the community health center. Okay, another person, one physician will be there in the community health center. Okay, next person is the gynecologist. What is the function of gynecologist? Number of pregnant mothers will be there, number of delivery mothers will be there. Okay, for providing special care for the pregnancy period of mothers, the gynecologist doing some care. Okay, some treatment is prescribed by the gynecologist to the antenatal mothers. Okay, next one is the pediatrician. Okay, one pediatrician will be there in the community health nurse, community health center. Here the nurse and midwives should be 9 members will be there in the CHCs. Next another one, that is the pharmacist, one member will be there. Okay, one lab technician will be there. Another one is the one radiographer will be there. Okay, in this CHC one ophthalmic assistant will be there, 2 members of ward boys will be there. Next 3 members of sweepers will be there in the community health center. Okay, this is the staffing pattern. Okay, in hospitals, okay, number of hospitals will be there. Here the population means the number of patients will be received by the treatment in the hospitals. Okay, in a hospital 2 types is there, one rural hospital is there, one district hospitals will be there. Okay, in this the ESI scheme will be started in the year of 1948. Okay, what is mean by ESI? Employees State Insurance Scheme. Okay, now number of employees will be there. In employees, anyone will be suffering with the any health problems means they are received free service by the Employees State Insurance Scheme. Okay, here the staff members will be there, some physicians will be there, some medical equipment will be there. They are providing some special care to the who is the employee will be suffering with the any diseases. Okay, next in this the health care for the railway employers, some railway employers will be there. No, in railway department who the member or staff or the working employees who are suffering with the any diseases means they are received by the special care. Okay, next another one is some private agencies will be there. Okay, some voluntary health agencies will be there. Okay, what are the voluntary agencies means? For example, Indian Red Cross Society. Okay, another one is the Hindu Kushtu Nivaran Sangh, another one is the TB Association of India. Okay, like that some private agencies, some voluntary agencies, some hospitals, some community health centers, some primary health centers. Okay, those are working for the providing special care to the sick people. Okay, whatever it may be, the center will be different, but they are providing for the service to the sick people. Okay, nobody suffering with the diseases, all are healthy. Like that they are providing some special treatment to the population.